Another Chinese vacuum cleaner. This one you're going to be familiar with. We've seen this rebranded with TTI's name on it before. This actually has a HEPA filter in it. We also saw this with the Cyclovac brand as well. You can see this has that same mechanism and everything. And they seem to just sell them as TEK. Really cool. You can see they have a full lineup. And then we have these ones that they don't sell in the US, which are these Dyson looking ones over here. So let's take a look at the Dyson one. So same sort of handle. Oh, we have a HEPA filter. Nice thick gasket there. You have another washable filter there.
你要这个是吧？
Am I in trouble?
我帮你弄。我叫他过来哈。
Interchangeable battery. We have a fluffy brush roller. Really, really cool. Is everything okay? She's making a phone call.
Yeah, she's trying to help you.
啊，你赶快过来，但是老听话。
Very cool. Very, very cool.
那你赶紧走。我要来一盘这个，他的自己那个。哦。哎，你好。你是要这一盘吗？还是坏了，整个机器都要换？我们这个电坏了就换个电，你可以试一下。你可以用手机里推着感受一下，而且声音特别轻。像我们正常的操作手机这样，跟下水一样。
This is great.
高一点给你买，还可以看一下我们这一款最新款的。
This is great.
这样关了之后就这样。这一款的话。
So they phoned the rep, and the rep actually came up here to show us these products. And we're at a box store. Like, this is right aside like a Ninja product and whatever else. So they're really wanting us to buy this and sell us this. This is really cool. And this one has lights in it. Very Chinese. You got lights in the battery. It's really cool.
它这个直驱。